Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. This article comes to you guys from Droid Life. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. I highly encourage you guys to go through this article and follow the steps. If you're not familiar with the trick on how to save so much money on your Verizon bill. So it's a loyalty discount. All you have to do is go to your My Verizon app and create a port pin, and you will automatically get discounts. In some cases, the discounts are stackable. So even now that we're in 2026, it is still a thing. You can still do this. And for those of you who may be new to the channel and have not looked into this, if you have Verizon, make sure you do so. Make sure you check out this article and follow these steps here. It'll tell you exactly how to create your port pin. And by creating your port pin, you're not actually leaving Verizon. It just lets Verizon know that perhaps you may be wanting to leave, and they're going to hit you right away with the loyalty discount. So try it out, save some money. For most cases, you can save up to $10 for, I think for 2 lines it was, for 12 months. Some people have been getting 36 months. Just depends on the tenure of the account, I'm assuming, and maybe several other factors. So make sure that you guys check into this. Check out this article, Droid Life. It'll be in the description down below. Make sure you guys look into this so you can collect your savings. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.